everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. Guess what I got in the mail today? My Knotty Knickers. Alright everyone, for those of you who don't know, this is my second month getting my Knotty Knickers. It is a panty subscription. It's fabulous. I get 3 panties every month. I think the total in Canadian, I think it's like $12 for 3 pairs, and you pay $1 shipping for Canada and the US. I'm going to leave the link down in my description box. Go check them out. You can get more than 3 pairs. They have bras, socks, and I think if you only want like cotton panties, you can let them know that. They have 3 different kinds, so you can get like thongs, you can get, you know, your, I don't want to say normal, but cutesy panties that are not overly sexy, and then you can get like really sexy or a combo of both. So here are my 3 pairs. I'm so excited. Okay, so I think they come like in all sizes as well. They got the chart there and stuff like that, right? I love this. I think this is great because you get a good pair of steppings. You know, panties are expensive, so I think this is great. I get excited now. This is one of my favorite subscriptions to get when it comes out every month. I get so excited. I couldn't wait for this to come. So I just want to fix my lipstick, and my husband's waiting for me like, come on, we gotta go, we gotta go. Oh, and I did my proceed with caution. That's what's on my eyes today, and I am gonna make a video because I did a retake of this lovely girl's video, and I'm gonna do that, let you know who she is later on. Okay, so my first pair of panties are these sexy little pink ones, and you know what? They're very sturdy. Like, I was worried that it wouldn't be sturdy, but they're very cute. I mean, look at that. I have size medium. So aren't they cute? Okay. Oh my God, they're so adorable. I'm trying to rush here because my husband's like, we gotta go, we gotta go. All right. The next pair is, oh my God, look at these. Aren't they adorable? I love them. I love the color. And they, oh my God, they're like silky here, lace on the back. They're so cute. For $3.99 a pair. I think 3 pairs. Is it $12? $12.99. I should have looked at it, but I got it and I have to go, and yeah, but I'm gonna leave their link down in my description. You really want to check this out because I mean, oh my God, these are adorable. Oh, I'm gonna love these. Look at these with little strawberries on them, and they're so like, the quality, I love it. I love the quality, you know. Perfect little subscription that you get every month, you know what I mean? It's a perfect little treat for you. Like I said, they have bras, I believe they have socks. Make sure there's no lipstick there. They have different subscriptions. Like, I think this is the one, it's like pretty or something. There's songs, there's like pretty and nice, and then there's naughty and nice kind of thing. So check them out. For so I think in total it was, I don't know, it was $12 or $14 it cost me for all of these. But I mean, like I said, you know, you go into a store and you're paying like 3 pairs for 20 bucks at La Senza, you know what I mean? So this is the first pair. I'm loving these. This is a second pair. I love this color. Love, love, love this color. Isn't that gorgeous? And then these ones, I know I'm going to like these the most because I like this material. You know what I mean? And I know they're going to be comfortable, little strawberries. So that's it. That's my panty subscription. I just wanted to show you. I could not wait for these to come. Like, I could not wait to see what it's going to be like this month. And keep on checking my lipstick. Every month is a nice surprise, and we are treating ourselves because we deserve it. So yeah, I will leave my description and the link down below. Don't forget to send in your pictures and your postcards. You know the drill. If you want more followers on your social media accounts, I'll give you a shout out. When you do, my address is down in my description box below. When you send it in, I pick 3 goodies out of my goodie bag, and you get to choose one, and I'll post that in the mail to you. So that's to help you get more followers on all your social media accounts so you can get free stuff. And my live will be this Friday, yay, this Friday, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Toronto, Ontario. So hopefully you're able to make it. I know it's Canada Day weekend coming up. I totally forgot about that. So if you can't make it, have a lovely weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, everybody.